What happens if Cochise County decides not to certify the results? Fox 10's Marissa Sarbak spoke with a professor of public affairs at ASU who explains what could come next. One of the things we learned today is that if you don't certify, you're subject to jail time.
Yeah, it's really interesting, everything that's going on here, John. And we actually reached out to the Secretary of State's office. They have said they plan to file a suit by this time tonight, 5 o'clock tonight, to ask the courts to force the board to certify that election in Cochise County. Now, we spoke with that ASU professor, Tom Riley, who works in public affairs, just about what these decisions could lead to and what will happen here. He says two options. Number one is that the courts will force the hand of Cochise County to essentially certify this election, or the second one is that the state will move on without them and certify results without Cochise County.
The Secretary of State office has until December 5th to collect the 15 counties, and along with the governor, the Attorney General, and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, they will certify the state elections.
Cochise County has become an outlier, the only county in Arizona not to certify its election results by today's deadline. And while this is the first time Arizona has dealt with something like this, there have been other instances of it around the country before.
This has happened most recently in Otero, New Mexico, which is a rural county in New Mexico, after they refused to certify the election, their Board of Supervisors, and the next day the New Mexico Supreme Court ordered them to do so.
State elections officials released this statement in response today. Quote, the Secretary of State's office provided supporting documentation that confirmed Cochise County's election equipment was properly certified. The Board of Supervisors had all of the information they needed to certify this election and failed to uphold their responsibility for Cochise voters. Professor Riley says the Cochise County decision could impact the state's entire election.
They run the risk, of course, of, one, the court ordering them to do so, or two, of the state moving forward and canvassing and certifying without their vote, which would disenfranchise all their county residents.
In the case of Otero, New Mexico, Professor Riley says the courts actually pushed that through and certified that election within that week, and they actually gone and done that the day after all of it had gone down. So if Arizona follows suit, we could likely see all counties certified by the end of the week, even if it is not by their own doing. Reporting live outside the state capitol, Marissa Sarbak, Fox 10 News.